I've been working with RDO equipment for 24 years now. Manage the account of our customers, sales and service and anything in between. We have sunshine 360 days out of the year. We're always either planting, harvesting, or doing tillage work. It's repetitious. The Operations Center gives them a chance to manage their fleet. Looking and seeing tractors, you know where they are, you know what tasks they're doing, you know what implement they have, you know how long it's going to take them to get done with that field. You ought to be able to compare the data between one tractor versus the other. You may have one operator that drives that tractor a little bit better, a little more efficient than the other. That's just one example of an opportunity that we can have to maybe have that operator train the other operator. We try to set up operator training as often as we can, especially in the seasons where it's a little bit slow for them. You know, we can sit down and go through anything to do with the tractors, any questions they have with the tractors. It seems to work very well with getting them in that frame of mind that they need to embrace this technology and pay attention to their tractors. I like the fact that I'm part of this community. I provide solutions for these guys. Every day is different. You get up in the morning, you may have a plan. That plan changes real quick because you get a phone call here, a phone call there, somebody needs something, they're relying on you. I wouldn't change it for the world.